Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Welcome back, my friends. I missed to upload an episode last week, so again this week will be slightly longer. As you can see, we have prepared some wooden ribs that we can use to glue the mock-up elevator skins together. The real elevator will not have any ribs and have a carbon C-profile spar instead of the aluminum tubes. We also made some progress working on the forms for the engine inlets. We noticed a slight problem with producibility, and so we decided to do a slight modification to the bottom before we take the negatives from it. On the fuselage side, the engine inlets are already finished. They are only going to receive a step that I will show you in a moment. Also on the other side, everything is prepared for receiving the step and then it will be finished. So this is the step that I was talking about before. It will give us the opportunity to create a flange where we can glue the engine inlets to, and it will also give us the ability to mount adapter for compressed air, which will help us to get the carbon out of the form later on. Here you can see the root profile of the mock-up elevator being temporarily attached, and we cut the holes for the aluminum tubes. Next step is to mark the positions for the other profile ribs. Although this is just a mock-up elevator, we are always working very precise. And here you can see us attaching the ribs at first with a bit of super glue and later on using a mixture of epoxy glue with micro balloons.
Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high in sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fire dreams come into view. Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high in sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fighter dreams come.
And this is how it looked like 1.5 hours later. It now has to cure for 1 or 2 days before we can attach the other surface. The method that we have used to create the mock-up elevator is the same method that you would use in order to build a model RC aircraft. The reason why we need the mock-up elevator is that we need to check that the elevator and the fuselage will later fit together perfectly. So 2 days later the glue is now cured and we couldn't resist already attaching it and checking. As you can see, it worked out perfect. Also the form just looks amazing. Write me in the comments how you like the form of the elevator. And now I will show you the process of gluing together the two surfaces of the elevator.
Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high, sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fire dreams come into view. Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high in sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fighter dreams come into view. Sky high, vision fast and clear. Feel the rush when you are near. In the cockpit, no more fear. Take the lead, the path is here. Wings of thunder slicing air. Dare the world beyond compare. Feel the power if you dare. Jet fighter, love beyond repair. Lights and shadows dance outside. In this metal bird we glide.
Well, and this is how the result looked like after another 1.5 hour gluing session. I guess it will take another 1 or 2 weeks for us to finish the fuselage, and then let's go for the real one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, then leave a like and a thumbs up. Enjoy your life, go and live your dreams, and in any case, hope to see you again next week for another episode. And last things last, as always, fly safe, fly Horus.